The saga of Christian persecution in Pakistan goes unchecked. Once again, we hear about the brutal and heartless killing of a pastor in Pakistan. We at Injili Media have been raising our voice for the persecuted church around the world, not only in Pakistan but Nigeria and anywhere else in the world. However, Pakistan has become a hub for Christian persecution, and unfortunately, the world media, the international media, has no concern about the plight of the Christians in Pakistan. To them, what matters is Gaza, Palestine, and Islamophobia. But when it comes to Pakistan or the Christian persecution around the world, they are silent. CNN, BBC, Sky News, Reuters, or any top world news agencies have no concern whatsoever about the plight of the Christians, but no one ever speaks up for the persecuted Christian minorities around the world.